Okay, hi everyone. This is a very short video. It's simply a quick step-by-step on how to download our rent-to-rent manual. Now, this rent-to-rent manual has been copied over the years. We wrote this about 6-7 years ago. We update it twice a year. It's a step-by-step 100% formula that people sell for over £500. And the people I'm talking about, most of them who sell it, they take our product, they mix it around a little bit, they add some different pics, they put their name on it, and they sell it for £500, and having not written it and having never ever done anything in rent to rent, HMO, service accommodation, none of that. So it's basic plagiarism. So all you need to do for ours, and this is why we decided now to combat this plagiarism, we want to now give it away for free. So we want you to have the original and the best, the updated version. All the technicalities around, what room should you use, what properties, where to buy, the whole lot. In fact, I'll just show you a quick snapshot of what it actually looks like. So let's get some content. So this is the rent-to-rent manual. You'll get it in PDF form. This is what it looks like. So this is the original. It's written by myself and Jimmy. Jimmy's now, he acquired over 85 properties in 3 years. With HMOs. We now own hotels together. He was a student of mine. The full processes, etc. here. You can see, furniture of the property, fire resistance, fire safety, what contracts to use. Everything is in here. Section 8, Section 21, protection deposits, PAT certificates, housekeeping, everything is here. Tenants don't pay, guarantors. Everything is in here. And it's easy to follow step by step, all in order. There's a calculator in there, so on and so forth. Right, so, is it against the law? What else have we got? Non-compliance, fire safety. There's a load on fire safety because you need to make sure you're happy with that. Where we get broadband, finding the tenants, different things like that. There's a ton of stuff in here. In fact, we know that you can actually start this business using this manual and become very successful. However, if you decide you need training, just click on our rent-to-rent courses and choose whichever course you'd like. We also include mentoring on here via webinars and WhatsApp. So click on the bundle if you want both, and you do all of these at your own time, your own pace. So for the manual, just click on rent-to-rent manual, and then you'll simply have a little read if you like, but you can scroll to the bottom, hit the download here button, the orange button. You will need to put in your email address so we can send it to you. Put in your name, if it's Ash or John or Kelly or Jane or whatever. You must click the email so we can send it to you because this is all GDPR rules. Then click subscribe and it will be sent to you. You'll get no more than 2 emails. Okay, one will be the manual itself, and the other one will be more information on the courses. That's it. There'll be nothing else more from us. So thank you, enjoy, and send us some information about how successful you've been using the manual. Like I said, it's free. We're giving it away because other people are copying it and selling it. We want to stop you having to pay for something that is not original, so we're giving it to you. So good, enjoy.